Os, bakit ba likot-likot itong si Sis Ayi? Itsura umalis ng stage at patayin ng electric fan.
Because we know, Lord, you will outpour and blessing
Ayan,
for all
napasigaw
of
si
us.
brother. Oo, mag-ayos pa yan ang
Sintas.
sintas ng damit.
Yun oh, yung bang di ka nakapasok sa uwing. At tuloy naman ang palakpak ni Brother Jordan.
Oh, binilisan pa. Nagmamadali yarn.
Let's make some noise. I want to say hi to all those who are here and to those who are watching online. We also want to say hi to the millions of people not watching us. Glorieta lang ang sakalam.